Hindi ka pa ba katag? Mag-like, share and subscribe na sa Tara Anything Goes. Welcome back mga katag. For this video, we will be experiencing the second highlight of Mekong Delta tour in Mai Tho, Vietnam. This is the THIEN Iced Coconut Candy Factory in Vietnam. THIEN Iced Coconut Candy Factory, located in the heart of Vietnam, is a must-visit destination for any sweet-toothed or curious traveler. This factory is not just a place where delicious coconut candies are made, it's a cultural experience that offers a unique insight into the traditional Vietnamese candy-making process. Located in the Bến Tre province, known as the Land of the Coconut, THIEN Iced Coconut Candy Factory is nestled amidst lush coconut groves. The factory is easily accessible from Ho Chi Minh City, making it a popular day trip destination for both locals and tourists alike. Upon entering the factory, visitors are greeted with the sweet aroma of coconut, a scent that permeates the entire facility. The factory floor is a hive of activity, with workers busily crafting the candies by hand. One can expect to see the entire candy-making process, from the extraction of coconut milk to the boiling, stirring, and molding of the candy. What sets THIEN Iced Coconut Candy Factory apart is its commitment to traditional methods. The candies are made using age-old recipes and techniques, with each piece hand-rolled and individually wrapped. This dedication to tradition is evident in the taste of the candies, which are rich, sweet, and bursting with natural coconut flavor. The factory also features a shop where visitors can sample and purchase the candies. Here, one can find a variety of flavors, from the classic plain coconut to those infused with durian, pandan, and even chocolate. THIEN Iced Coconut Candy Factory is open from 8:00 a.m. to 5:00 p.m., Monday through Sunday. It's recommended to visit in the morning or early afternoon to see the candy-making process in full swing.
Put the grind machine, to make the coconut powder. And after we have the coconut powder, will be put up in the cream machine to make the coconut milk. And after we have the coconut milk, we be put together, cook it with some flavor, ginger, chocolate, peanut, durian, and so many flavor. And after 45 to 1 hour, we can collect the candy coconut oil.
Hindi ka pa ba katag? Mag-like, share and subscribe na sa Tara Anything Goes.
Coconut and the rice paper. It's not a plastic, just a rice paper, and you can eat it. And get one out. You can enjoy so many flavors of the candy coconut, peanut, ginger, original, durian, chocolate, taro, coffee, and pandarin. Okay, just take it and enjoy it. It's for you.
Durian.
Durian, the yellow one. And for that one, it's the coconut cracker and the pop rice. Okay, just take it.
Is this original one?
Original and the blue one. That one. Okay, you can enjoy. This is a pop rice and the coconut cracker. Yeah, when you come to the movie theater, you can enjoy the popcorn. Now you can enjoy the pop rice. Yeah, pop rice. Cái bánh dừa. Yeah, this is the pop rice. Sorry, this is the coconut cracker.
Visiting THIEN Iced Coconut Candy Factory is not just about tasting delicious candies, it's about immersing oneself in the local culture and traditions. It's a sweet journey that offers a taste of Vietnam's rich heritage and the hard work and dedication that goes into making each piece of candy. So, whether you're a candy lover or a cultural enthusiast, a visit to THIEN Iced Coconut Candy Factory promises a delightful and enriching experience. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tara Anything Goes.